Hello there, it's Diorama Don here. Welcome everybody. Yes, I do have a body. You normally see a pair of hands and arms working over a cutting mat, making stuff. Slightly different video this time. My channel is coming up to 2 years old, and during that time I've made 240 videos, some more successful than others. I was monetized after 9 months, which is pretty good. If you look at other YouTubers, they take considerably longer. So I'm lucky in that respect. Although my average views for most videos are around 500 views. But when you look at competitors, the people that are doing the same kind of thing as me, they get into the hundreds of thousands of views. So it's very despondent sometimes to keep working here day after day and only getting a few hundred views per video. Some reach up to over 1,000, which is fine. Some go for 2,000 or 3,000, and some a lot less than that. So I thought I'd show you a few things that I've made in the last 2 years. One thing in particular that went viral, well, I consider it a viral video, and others that completely fell by the wayside. So let's get on with the video, and I'll show you the highs and lows of how to video YouTubing. So I thought I'd bring you outside just for a moment, as it's just such a lovely sunny day here in Thailand, but then every single day is just like this. Temperatures very rarely go below 30 degrees C, even at night time. So this is my work area. This is where I would make all my dioramas. At the moment it's set up for my guitar practice, which isn't going terribly well, I must admit, but we keep going. And this is something that I made a video of about a year or so ago, and for some reason in the last few weeks it has gone viral. It's up to 140,000 views at the moment. I know some views get millions, but for me 140,000 is pretty good. So it's a car moving system for a model railway. So I've got a series of bicycle gear cogs going round in a circuit, and although it's hand cranked, it could be electrified with a little motor, and it turns a bicycle chain around like so, like that. If you give me one moment, I'll put my camera in the stand and I'll demonstrate. So with a very, very small magnet that fits between the links of the bicycle chain, I've got one put there, and then with a very thin sheet of card over the top, where you would draw or paint your road system onto, the roads and what have you, and then this other magnet on the other side of the card would fit over in a car and turn, and you could make a moving car system, something like that. It's a little bit stiff at the minute, but that's the general idea. So you can see it's a very simple idea, and like I say, it has been my most impressive video to date with 140,000 views. So very proud of this, even though it does look a bit grubby at the moment. So that's one extreme. So let's go to the other extreme, and I'll show you a few videos that didn't quite work out. So if you're not familiar with my channel, this is the kind of thing that I normally make. Generally World War II scenes, hence the name Diorama Don. I make dioramas that include bombed out houses, tanks in fields, farmyards, villages, that kind of thing. So if you follow my channel, then you'll know exactly what I do normally, but if not, then this is an example of sometimes what I do. but from time to time I go I go off piste, if you like. I try to do something a little bit different, which is perhaps not necessarily a good thing. So about a year ago I made this telephone stand. Stick your mobile phone on there, fully adjustable, and room inside for all kinds of leads and things. Now, I couldn't live on a day-to-day basis without my diorama telephone stand. It's an actual boon to my lifestyle. I couldn't do without it. And yet, I only got 125 views in 1 year. And yet there are people that made inferior subjects like this that got millions of views. So that's the thing about YouTube that I just don't understand. Why I should get 100 views and someone else get millions of views. But it's something you just have to put up with as a YouTuber. So anyway, that's my telephone stand that died a death. I made a number of videos with the subject of Saving Private Ryan. I made the bridge where Tom Hanks died on. I made the village hotel. I made the church, and the corner building where another part of the scene of the village in Saving Private Ryan. So, as they were reasonably successful, I thought it would be a good idea to make this house. Now, some of you may recognise it. I'll just give you a moment. And I just thought, with the popularity of the TV show Breaking Bad, that this would be an absolute winner. I was wrong. It only made, 220 views. That's all I got from a year ago. It's Jane and Jesse's house. You know, where Jane died of the drug overdose. And millions of people all around the world watched the Breaking Bad series, probably the best TV series that's ever been. So I thought, make the house. This is going to be a winner. No, I was wrong. Okay, so that was another bad thing to make. Then I had the idea, as I have been in my past a professional drummer, this is a 1/8 scale model of John Bonham's drum kit, exactly as he used to play it, with his paste gong at the back, 2 timpanis, and his green sparkle drum kit. So it is an exact copy of John Bonham's drum kit. Again, I thought, this is it. We're on to a winner here. How many? 142 views. Absolute died a death. So I won't be making any more drum kits, although it does stand very proudly in my living room on a unit, display unit. Another thing I made was a crossbow. I'd seen them advertised in local shops, in internet shopping channels, and I thought, well, I'll make a go of that myself. The only problem was, how would I get the spring-loaded front? And I used a hacksaw blade made of sprung steel, absolutely the perfect thing to use. Grind off all the teeth at the bottom, and it makes a perfect crossbow. So, and it even works. And how many did I get for that? Let's just have a look. Crossbow, not too bad. 383 views, but that's for a year. It's taken a year to get to that many views. So my point in summing up is not to stray from the subject that you normally do. to keep to that one subject. As soon as you start to stray to different things, it's very difficult to get the numbers. Okay, so I've had my little moan. Please subscribe to the channel. That's the main thing. As I sit here in 2023, coming up to my 2nd anniversary of my channel, I've still not quite reached 4,000 subscribers. So it would be nice to get 4,000 and surpass that and get closer to 5. So that's my main aim. Okay, so please subscribe to the channel, and if you do so, click the notification bell and all button, and every time I put a new video up, then you will be notified. So in the meantime, thank you very much for watching this video, something a little different, and I'll see you in the next video when we'll do something more like that rather than something like that. Okay, bye for now, and thanks for watching.